Here, raw steel is transformed. Precision robotics ensure absolute consistency. Every component is tracked.
Head tube is spot on.
Welds look clean here too.
Workers mount the wheels with absolute precision. High-performance brake discs are then attached. This transforms the frame into a recognizable machine.
Watch the alignment on this side. Perfect, let's lock it in.
Precision is key when assembling the control center. Every connection must be perfectly secure.
Moving to the final station, fluids are carefully added. Technicians fill the brake reservoirs. Every detail undergoes inspection.
The motorcycle enters final quality control. Highly trained technicians inspect every component, ensuring absolute perfection before delivery.